Hi. Hey, this is Thursday. Thursday, you are going to review for the test tomorrow. You have a test. It's an open note test, and I'm going to go through some questions. Idea was given to me by Mr. Kaditz, and you are going to answer these questions. I'm going to pause after I ask the questions, and in your classroom, you can try to answer. Should work out pretty good. So let Mr. Kaditz pause after the question. You can give the answer, and then we'll go on to the next one. Okay? So it's just a different way of doing it now that we do so much technology, and we're going to try this. So here are some questions. Ready? What type of cells are only found in the ovaries or testes? Okay. Next, number of chromosomes in a somatic body cell. The number of chromosomes in a somatic body cell. Okay. What is the name of the division of body cells? The growth phase of a body cell. Okay. So here's another question. Germ cells, sex cells, uh, they're they're named the same. What is that called? What is the name for the division of reproductive or sex cells? Um, what are tightly packed DNA found or seen only during cell division with a microscope? Uh, what is the smallest structural functional unit of an organism? Name the 4 phases of mitosis in order. Okay. The stage in mitosis that results in 2 new daughter cells being formed. What stage of mitosis that results in 2 new daughter cells being formed? In this phase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. The structures become tightly packed during cell division. They contain DNA. What structures become tightly packed? What cell division creates 4 haploid cells? These are in your notes. What cell division creates 2 diploid cells? Which well, let's see. Looking for another question here. Explain, when you have a cut on your hand, how does the body heal it? How does it happen? We talked about this. Okay. And I think that's it. So that, along with your crossword, okay, you're going to work on that today. That will help you to review for the test. The test, you will be able to use the PowerPoint that is on Google Classroom. and you can use your notes for tomorrow. The test is tomorrow. I put it in Google Classroom yesterday that we're going to have a test on Friday, so that gave you 2 days to look at and study for it if you so chose. Okay, all right. Well, good luck, and hope this helped you. We'll find out if it did, and we'll see you tomorrow if you're in Cadets. Bye-bye.